We'll now discuss the baton embedding engine. This is how humongous light turns even the most scary big data challenge into a fun-sized data set meant for sharing amongst friends. The fun-sized, made-for-sharing data set, we call it a baton file, and this is the central component of the humongous light analytics platform. From a high level, you can simply imagine the baton embedding engine as a compression algorithm, reducing the disk space taken by a dataset by hundreds of times. But there is something far more magical occurring than just simple compression. And that magic is you, the humongous light super user. To demonstrate this magic, let's look at a use case. The 2021 Humana Data Analytics Conference Challenge. This dataset is truly humongous and very scary. When we first tried to open the challenge dataset, our laptops froze. Screens were more blue than not. That's because the combined dataset weighs in at a whopping 12,000 plus columns and over 1.6 million rows. Holy moly, that's huge. Luckily, this is just the kind of bizarro, stupid big data that humongous light loves to sink its teeth into. The baton embedding engine does this by first studying the dataset's columns, names, and data dictionary, vectorizing all the tokens and words within this text data, grouping tokens by their usage frequency, where in the column name the token shows up, and grouping tokens by their usage frequency. I'm saying this again, where in the column name the token shows up. But again, the true magic here is you. And now it's your turn to take control of this unsupervised operation. You tell the engine how many topics you want the features split into. For example, 8. And then you specify the number of clusters you want for each data type. That's it. How many high-level topics do you want? And how many clusters should those topic features be grouped into? You can decide later which vectorizers, such as a count vectorizer or a term frequency inverse document frequency vectorizer. You choose the topic model as well, such as a Dietrich allocation or a text to vect. Or you cannot worry about any of that stuff, because most importantly, you just need to tell it how many data stuff